SHROFFism for you, Daily D37, physical. Jealousy, fear, hatred are some negative emotions that can block our growth. While due to social dynamics, negative feelings can arise from time to time, but it's important to note that negative emotions can be harmful if not managed effectively. So reflect and release these negative emotions. Replace with clear intentions and focused energy towards your growth and your goals. Set out with positive thought, action, courage, and faith. Suffering comes from lack of faith. There may be sad incidents in life. There may even be physical pain. But suffering is optional. Remind yourself daily to free yourself from the bondage of suffering by healing through gratitude. Push yourself to the next level towards being a happier person, free from unnecessary suffering.